In July 2024, we took delivery of our Tesla Cybertruck. It was a dream come true for us. The futuristic design and promised performance were truly captivating. We were eager to put the Cybertruck through its paces on various terrains. Our plan was to use it for a full year. This would allow us to test it extensively in different conditions. We were immediately impressed by the Cybertruck's commanding presence. It drew attention wherever it went, turning heads. The stainless steel body was striking and unique. The interior was minimalist and modern, a perfect blend. On the road, the Cybertruck delivered impressive acceleration and handling. We were confident in our purchase decision. This was going to be an exciting year of testing and discovery. Our Cybertruck Dream came to a crashing halt on December 11, 2024. The truck was parked on a street in West Hollywood. A compact sedan ran a red light. It collided with the Cybertruck's driver's side rear wheel and bumper. The impact was significant, pushing our 6,660-pound truck onto the curb. We were shocked by the extent of the damage. The rear wheel was badly damaged. The stainless steel panel was dented. The bumper was mangled. What initially seemed like a minor fender bender proved to be much worse. The impact had caused internal damage. This included the rear axle, suspension, drive motor, and rear wheel steering. Getting the Cybertruck repaired was a challenge from the start. Its stainless steel body required specialized repair shops. We soon discovered that only Tesla-certified body shops could handle the repairs. Our search for a certified shop within a reasonable distance proved difficult. There were only 2 such shops within 50 miles of Los Angeles. The first shop, located in Huntington Beach, had a 1-month wait just for an estimate. After the estimate, the repair itself would take an additional 6 months. This was unacceptable. We contacted the second shop in Ontario, California. They initially quoted a 1-month wait for an estimate. The repair would begin immediately after. This seemed more promising. However, our appointment was delayed by another month. The shop was overbooked. Section 4. A costly breakdown. 2 months after the accident, we finally received the repair estimate. The anticipation had been building up and we were anxious to see the numbers. It was a hefty 8-page document filled with detailed descriptions and costs. The total cost? A staggering $57,879.89. We were in disbelief. The detailed breakdown of the costs was shocking. Each line item seemed more expensive than the last. The damage was far more extensive than we initially thought. What seemed like minor dents and scratches had turned into a major repair project. Here are some of the key repair costs. Rear suspension, $9,149, including $2,500 for the suspension crossmember. This was a critical component that needed to be replaced. Bed, $8,762.79, including the outer panel, aluminum rear section, and bed floor. The bed had taken a significant hit. Motors and components, $4,191, including $3,000 for the EV drive unit. The electric motor was one of the most expensive parts. Labor, $16,584. The labor costs alone were astronomical. The high cost of parts and labor was astounding. We had never anticipated such a high bill. The complexity of the Cybertruck's electric drivetrain and unique construction had driven up the repair bill. It was a sobering reminder of the costs associated with advanced technology. Section 5. Total loss. With a repair estimate exceeding half the Cybertruck's value, our insurance company declared it a total loss. The undamaged value of the truck was estimated at $86,160. After factoring in the repair cost, it simply wasn't economically viable to fix it. We were left with a totaled Cybertruck and a significant financial hit. We ended up selling the wrecked Cybertruck to an auto salvage auction site for a mere $8,000. This represented a massive financial loss of over $93,000 in just a few short months. The experience was a harsh reminder of the hidden costs associated with owning and repairing high-tech vehicles. Section 6. Lessons learned. The Cybertruck crash was a costly lesson in the realities of modern vehicle ownership. It wasn't just about the initial shock of the accident, but the subsequent financial and logistical challenges that followed. It highlighted the challenges and expenses associated with repairing complex electric vehicles. The intricate technology and specialized parts required for EVs can make repairs more complicated and expensive than traditional vehicles. Our experience taught us several valuable lessons that are crucial for anyone considering the purchase of an electric vehicle. First, research repair costs and procedures. Understanding the potential expenses and the complexity of repairs can help you make a more informed decision. Before purchasing any vehicle, especially an EV with unique construction, it's crucial to research potential repair costs. This includes looking into the availability of parts and the expertise required for repairs. Understand the availability of certified repair shops and the cost of parts. Not all repair shops are equipped to handle the specific needs of electric vehicles. Second, factor in insurance premiums. Insurance for electric vehicles can be significantly higher due to the cost of repairs and the value of the vehicle. EVs often come with higher insurance premiums due to their repair costs. This is an important consideration when budgeting for your vehicle. Factor this into your ownership costs. The total cost of ownership includes more than just the purchase price. Finally, consider the total cost of ownership. This includes insurance, maintenance, and potential repair costs. Don't just focus on the purchase price. The initial cost is just one part of the equation. Factor in insurance, maintenance, and potential repair costs when evaluating the affordability of a vehicle. By considering all these aspects, you can make a more informed and financially sound decision. Section 7. The EV Repair Conundrum. Our Cybertruck saga is not an isolated incident. Many EV owners are finding themselves in similar situations, facing unexpected challenges when it comes to repairs. As electric vehicles become more prevalent, so too will the challenges of repairing them. The rise in EV adoption brings with it a new set of hurdles that both consumers and the industry must navigate. The specialized parts, technology, and expertise required for EV repairs can lead to high costs and lengthy delays. Unlike traditional vehicles, EVs often require unique components and advanced diagnostic tools. This is a growing concern for both consumers and the automotive industry. The complexity of EV systems means that not every mechanic is equipped to handle these repairs, leading to a bottleneck in service availability. The industry needs to address the EV repair conundrum. Collaboration between manufacturers, service centers, and training institutions is essential to develop a robust repair infrastructure. This includes increasing the availability of qualified technicians. Training programs must be expanded to ensure that there are enough skilled professionals to meet the growing demand for EV repairs. More trained technicians are needed to handle the complexities of EV repairs. These technicians need to be well versed in the latest technologies and repair techniques specific to electric vehicles. Making repair information more accessible is also crucial. Open access to repair manuals and diagnostic tools can empower more service centers to take on EV repairs. Independent repair shops need access to the information and parts necessary to service EVs. Without this access, consumers are left with limited options and potentially higher costs. Additionally, designing EVs for repairability should be a priority. Manufacturers should consider how easily their vehicles can be serviced when developing new models. Manufacturers should consider repairability in the design phase of EVs, making them easier and more affordable to fix. This proactive approach can save time and money for both consumers and service providers. Until these issues are addressed, consumers should be aware of the potential costs and challenges associated with EV repairs. Being informed can help buyers make better decisions and prepare for potential repair scenarios. Our Cybertruck experience, while painful, serves as a cautionary tale for anyone considering the purchase of a high-tech vehicle. It's a reminder that with innovation comes new challenges and being prepared is key.